Alright guys, I'll be waiting for a new audio game and today it's happening. We got the Hisense HS1800 soundbar in the house. Let's crack the box open and see what's inside. Now on the restart, the soundbar itself, right out of the box, this thing feels solid. I'm talking good build quality, not flimsy at all. The finish, clean, minimal, and it's gonna blend right into most living rooms like it was always meant to be there. First out, the usual suspects: user manual, warranty card, and Hisense was kind enough to include an optical cable too. Nice touch. First impression: solid build, powerful specs, and super easy setup. Hisense might have just nailed it here. Now let's talk sound. This beast pushes out 140 watts. That's more than enough for movie, music, games, or accidentally waking up your neighbors. Plus Bluetooth support means wireless music streaming from your phone is a breeze. Next up, we got the remote, compact and simple. Power cables here and here. They even tossed in some wall mounting pins in case you want to get fancy with your setup. Taking a closer look, we have got the control button up top, volume, input, power, super accessible. Around the back is where the magic happens: HDMI ARC, optical auxiliary, USB basically. If it has a wire, you are good. If you are thinking about setting up your sound game without blowing your budget, this might be the move. Alright, that is it for this unboxing. Hit that like button, drop a comment if you have got questions, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.